Howdy diddly do, everybody. So today we're going to go ahead and open up a Astral Radiance Typhlosion pack. Pretty excited about it. And let's see what we get. Code for this one, we got MVL-YNKR. Can't really see it. MVL-YNKR-CYV-M9N. Again, that's MVL-YNKR-CYV-M9N. There we go. We have a Hippotas, a Cyndaquil, Scyther, Growlithe, Bronzer, Bronzong. Ooh, and we got a basic Typhlosion V. Check that out, guys. I felt something good about this pack. There's an Energy, a Jubileef Village, a Dartrix, and a Driftbloom. That's what we got. Until next time, this is Donnie. See you guys later.